Hey there, it is Gabriel and Kimberly here. We are excited to introduce this tutorial for the Liahona Block, and we hope that it's helpful to some of you and that you like it. So first we're going to take fabric pieces L and both M squares. We're going to snowball each top corner of the fabric, and that will make unit 1. Then we're going to attach the fabric B piece to the top of unit 1, and then you'll have a small flying geese that has a strip on the top. Next we're going to take fabric A and put one of each of them to each side of this little unit that we just made, and it's going to look like this. Super awesome and cute.
Now take fabric K, J, I, and H pieces. Keeping them vertical, you will sew them in this order: K, J, K, I, K, H, K, I, K, J, K. It's written in your pattern if you need help with this. And this will make unit 2.
You should have something that looks like this.
Now you're going to sew 2 fabric E pieces to the top and bottom of unit 2. Attach the last fabric E piece to the bottom of the fabric F piece. This is unit 3. Now you will sew unit 3 onto the bottom of unit 2. This is now called unit 4.
And it's going to be super beautiful, just like this one. Then we're going to take 4 of the fabric G squares, and they've got their line drawn on them. And we're going to snowball all 4 corners of this unit 4 to turn it into a ball-looking shape. Alright, now we're going to put the borders on each side and the bottom. So we're going to take a fabric C on the left and right sides of this, and then we're going to put a fabric D piece on the bottom of it. And now all that's left to do is to attach unit 1 to the top of unit 4, and we have a completed block. Boom. Super cute. Thanks again for sewing along with us. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.